Today I'm taking this raw video and turning it into a clean, smooth, fully edited video inside CapCut. I'll show you exactly what I fixed. The aspects that I'll cover today are the color, the audio, the effects, the stabilization, and pacing. Let's start with the raw footage. You're about to see the full raw clip, which has no color correction, no audio cleanup, no stabilization, just straight raw footage recorded from the camera. Well, today, in this video, I'll show you how to turn dull footage into cinematic visuals. So let's start with step 1. First, we fix the color. For now, the raw clip is flat and has low contrast and is a bit too cool. So what you should do is in CapCut, go to color, then to adjust. And here's what I changed. Kept the contrast between 20 and 30, brightness in -5, saturation 10 or more, it's up to you depending on your video, and temperature warmth, which I always increase but slightly. And now the clip already looks more cinematic. Well, today, in this video, I'll show you how to turn dull footage into cinematic visuals. Now we move on to step 2, which is audio cleanup. The raw sound is noisy and uneven. In CapCut, I used noise reduction, audio separation, and voice enhancement. This instantly removes the background hum and keeps the audio cleaner, making the voice more understandable. Well, today, in this video, I'll show you how to turn dull footage into cinematic visuals. Now let's move on to step 3, which is stabilization. The original clip is a little shaky. In CapCut, go to stabilize, and I suggest you to use the recommended mode of stabilizing the video. But it's completely up to you depending on video you'd like to make. Maybe some other mode will suit you even more. You don't want it too weak or too strong, or else your video won't look as good. Well, today, in this video, I'll show you how to turn dull footage into cinematic visuals. Now step 4, pacing and trimming. Now you should tighten the clip. What I'm gonna do is remove pauses, long quiet parts, and moments with awkward movements if they exist. Well, today, in this video, I'll show you how to turn dull footage into cinematic visuals. For this step, I used B keybind, which is a CapCut shortcut for cutting the videos, which helps me a lot. And if you want to know more about useful CapCut shortcuts, check out this video I've posted recently. It will enhance your editing procedure and make your editing process 100 times more comfortable. Now let's get back to me cutting. Remember, you should always remove long pauses because in the end, your video will become fast trimmed. Therefore, the final flow feels more professional. Now step 5, music and effects. Now for the polish, add soft calming music underneath in case if you're doing a talking video. Keep it low so it doesn't overpower your voice. And by the way, I'm getting royalty-free music from a website called Pixabay. So if you're a beginner content creator, it will help you a lot to add copyright-free music or sound effects into your videos. I also added a subtle vignette effect and slight motion blur to make the clip look even smoother. Now let's check out the final result. Well, today, in this video, I'll show you how to turn dull footage into cinematic visuals. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That was the full transformation of the raw footage made by me. And you can do the exact same thing with your raw footage following the exact same process. If you want more videos like this, color grading, audio editing, shortcuts, check out the playlist on my channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you don't miss out on next videos, like this video, and I'll see you next time, and take care.